Hello, I'm Charlotte Atchley, editor of Baking and Snack Magazine, here to tell you about our October issue, available online now. My biggest takeaway when putting together this issue came from my conversation with Spiro Asimakopoulos, CEO of the Good Bread Company. Now, what has always impressed me about Spiro is his enthusiasm to adopt technology to unlock the efficiencies of his bakeries. He's already got his team testing ERP systems, collecting data, and dreaming of the day when cobots will alleviate the pain points in their packaging department. Now, these aren't necessarily new technologies. Big boys like Grupo Bimbo and Flowers Foods have been using these for years. However, it's becoming more and more important for mid-sized bakeries and even smaller bakeries to consider these technologies to alleviate the labor crisis and meet the high demand we're seeing today for bakery products.